right, Jason, you start.
This should be like, we should start the video. Like, who's going to start? What are we going to do?
No, take it away, Jason. I mean, Mr. Bima.
Greetings, Harbor Springs music students. This is Mr. Bima and
Mrs. Cross.
It's been a while since we've seen you. We miss you. Yes, even you, JJ. I do miss you. We wanted to create a little video to talk to you, tell you how much we miss you, and to talk to you about a couple of things that we are going to provide for your musical learning.
We are so excited about this project that we are about to tell you. It is going to be massive, and massive meaning awesome, and massive meaning many people can be involved, and it's a way that when we're apart from each other, at least we can bring our voices together.
Okay, so we are going to do a virtual production. Usually we do a production in the studio, so we've all been kind of singing Don't Give Up on Me. So on every single grade level page, you will see project resources, and we're not quite ready to launch, but you can start practicing. So you will see here on the lyric, you will have the video that you can sing along with. If you click on this link right here, this will give you the lyrics if you want to print it or send it to your iBooks on your iPad or whatever you want to do. We will start posting recording tutorials on how to record. There's going to be 3 different ways for you to record your voice. We're going to have harmony options, and then on some grade levels, Mrs. Cross, this is the 2nd grade page, Mrs. Cross is going to still have you guys practice other various things. Now, anybody is involved, everyone's can do it. Your brothers, your sisters, whether they're in K5 or not, your parents want to sing along, you can record them. If you can get your dog to howl in pitch, let's add it. We're going to do whatever we can, and unfortunately we can't have our spring performance. So this is going to be our spring performance. We're going to do a virtual production of Don't Give Up on Me, which we feel is very fitting for the circumstances that we're looking at. If you have an iPad, if you're K4, Mr. Ceruto is going to shoot out a link on your home pages, somewhere on your home page. If you've never used the link before, it's going to look like this. So if you click on that icon, it's going to take you to the music page. Once you open it, the icon will turn into something like this, and you can rename the icon Mr. Bima's classroom, Mrs. Cross's classroom, 4th grade, 5th grade, whatever you want. But we just want to make sure for those of you who have iPads. Now, if it hasn't shown up yet, turn your iPad completely off, like shut it down, power it back up, and then the reboot should happen. For those of you who don't have an iPad, want to use your laptop, all you need to do is type in, and a graphic will show up on the screen for you right now, and it will take you to the homepage of the school district. You will simply go to departments and click on music. Then you can create a shortcut to the music page. I already have a tab open, so you don't have to worry for it to load. Once you're on the music page, you will see a huge link that you can choose Mrs. Cross's virtual classroom or Mr. Bima's virtual classroom. So once you choose one of those, then you're off and running.
Mr. Bima just clicked on my virtual classroom, where of course you're going to see kinder, 1st grade, and 2nd grade. And so you pick on your grade level. We're going to pick on 2nd grade right now. And you're going to see that there are some note identification levels that you can check out to see how you're doing. We're going to be putting some awesome rhythmic notation up there soon. And as you go down the screen, you're going to see that project we were talking about is listed there. And then at the very bottom, I have uploaded some class videos, just videos that we've taken during class so that you can see yourself, or you can show your parents or grandparents the things we were working on in music class.
And on both teachers' virtual classrooms is the other teacher. So if you want to venture into my classroom, or my students venture into Mrs. Cross's classroom, you can do that very easily with these links that are right up here, so you don't have to go back to the home page. So here is my home page. You'll see my 3rd, 4th, 5th tech projects, archive liked videos. The liked videos is the same for both grade levels. All of Mr. Bima's, and now including Mrs. Cross's favorite little YouTube videos, are up there. My example is going to be the 4th grade page, so I'll click on 4th grade, but it's open in the tab, and you will see same thing. We'll update the note identification, rhythms, some assessments if you want to keep moving up into Tenuto. I will have a link for a survey to see who would want or needs to get a ukulele. We'll do Zoom virtual classrooms to teach you how to tune those. Same thing, the project resource for Don't Give Up on Me, then all the ukulele resources that you're used to, and then all the play-alongs. We're going to constantly keep these websites up to date and giving you stuff to bypass the time, and also to project you into next year to make sure that we don't miss a beat. Pun intended.
Aha.
So with that said, keep an eye on your email, keep an eye on the website. If you have any questions from either of us, email us. If you need to talk on the phone or want to FaceTime, email us. Once we have a schedule and Shay and the middle school worked out, I will do certain days of recorder Zoom sessions and ukulele Zoom sessions and GarageBand Zoom sessions for anyone who wants to keep up on those.
And I'm going to be posting some videos to you guys, so keep your eyes open for those. And we miss you guys so much.
Yes.
This is a really cool way to come together, and I'm glad that we're able to do this.
It's going to be awesome. Keep in touch and keep singing and keep playing.
See you guys.